Go to another topic, declaration suits. This is also one of the specific relief. Declaration can be obtained by any person who is having any right or legal character in his favor against any other person, can institute a declaratory suit. Declaration as to any legal character or any right over property. For example, A is the owner, B denying the title, then A can file a suit for declaration stating that declare me as owner of this 1 acre of land. That is simple declaration. For example, X having two sons, A from his first wife and B from his second wife. So there is a dispute between A and B after the death of X with regard to property or his employment, compassionate employment. So there is a fight between these two brothers. A denies or government denies their legitimacy, one of their legitimacy. So the person whose legitimacy has been denied can file a suit for declaring him as the son of X. Declaration as to status. For example, there is a marital relationship between a man and wife. If the man denies the relationship or wife denies the relationship, any agreed person can approach the court for declaration of status. I am the wife of so and so person అని చెప్పేసి. So declaration as to caste, declaration as to profession. If any person denies my profession as a lawyer, even I can approach the court and ask the court to declare me as a lawyer by producing. So declaration as to profession, status, property, any right over property, and even declaration as to date of birth can be asked by filing a suit before civil court. The limitation for filing the suit is 3 years from the date of denial of the title. Right? Article 58. Section 34 Specific Relief Act speaks about declaratory suits. It says, if any person who is entitled to any legal character or to any right as to any property, two important terminologies are used. One is entitlement to any legal character. The other is entitlement to any right as to any property. May institute a suit asking declaration from the court. Against whom? Against the person who is denying that right or title. Okay. And if A filed a suit against B for declaration and he got a decree, after few years C comes and denies the title, whether the decree binds on C మీద బైండింగ్ అవుతుందా? A was declared as owner. No, because according to section 35, it is a decree in personam. It binds the parties to the suit. If A files suit against B, it binds only B, not against all. So the nature of the decree passed in section 34 is decree in personam, not decree in rem. Decree in rem ante it applies to all. Limitation is 3 years from the date of denial of title under Article 58 of Limitation Act.